2025. So I got a call from a guy. He's a little bit of a distance, couple of towns away, and he's got a problem with his gas furnace, 90 plus gas furnace, American Standard. He wants to know if I can go by there and help him out. He's got no heat. Says the exhaust fan's blowing, but it's not glowing. So it might be something to do with either a bird in there, or the vacuum switch isn't pulling in. Could be an igniter, could be a board. We'll go by there, and if it's a 90 plus, it's PVC vent, right? I mean, it's possible there's a bird in there, but the only way you could check that is run the exhaust fan motor, see if the fan switch pulls in. But anyway, we'll try to get you some shots over there if I can. Said he found me on one of my videos or something, so I'm within driving distance. 20-minute ride or something. Not too bad.
Yeah,
no work today?
Oh no, I got work. My heat's priority. I got 2 little girls.
Alright, let's see what happens with this thing. So you got the gas off. We'll turn the gas on. You got this off. Turn that on. You got the thermostat turned up upstairs? Let's see what it's doing here. Turn it. Alright, so exhaust fan motor's coming on. Stuff's all loosey-goosey in here. It's glowing. It's glowing. This stuff was all loose. See if it fires. No, this was all loose. These wires are all loose.
Is that something we can test?
Oh, while I'm here, I might as well clean the flame sensor. That was easy.
That's all it was? Loose wires?
Yeah, what do you want me to tell you? That's why you call me. You didn't know what you were doing. You wouldn't be calling me. Right?
That's right.
That's why I said I'm a big wheel with no spokes. I might have got to clean this flame sensor anyway. It's been a little bit, so.
Yeah, I've never.
How long's it been since you've
I've owned the house for 5 years. Have never got this tuned up or anything. Am I supposed to yearly?
Well, yeah. You're supposed every couple of years you got to clean this. So.
Okay.
I think that was just you might have had a loose connection there on the. I said check the easy stuff first, right?
Yeah.
Well, easy's good. It's gonna cost you less money.
Magical touch. I think that's what it is.
What is it?
I think you've got a magical touch. I think that's what it is.
Yeah, magical touch. All right. Look at this flame sensor's following. Oh yeah, she's dirty. That might have been what the problem was right there. It'll shut down after a while. Run a little bit, and then it'll shut down.
If it's too dirty.
Kind of like your wife after about 7 years. They're good for a little bit, and then they start giving you shit.
That's right.
7-year itch.
That's right.
Yeah, that's the truth. Yeah. Yeah, this thing's flipping dirty. Never been cleaned. Yeah, she's a little corroded. Definitely a problem. I think it was just the wires on the thing were loose. Loosey-goosey on the, yeah, she's pretty flipping gnarly. I don't know. We'll hope for the best here. Guy says to me I'm famous. Yeah, I'm famous, all right. I'm famous, all right. That's on there. I'll put this cover back on. At night it looks fine. It's a straight one. It's gonna go in there. It's gonna go in there like that. Like that, the wires. I did try this rollout switch, but I don't think it was tripped. Hello?
Yes, sir.
You think your outside piping might be have a bird in it or something? You know the piping that goes outside?
Yeah.
You think you got screens on there? You think there might be some birds in there?
I don't know why.
Well, these pipes that go outside, see these pipes?
Yes, sir.
There should be screens on the outside so no birds fly in there or, you know, hornets, or sometimes they make nests inside there. I'm not saying that's the case, but
What would that do? Just
well, it wouldn't work right. We're gonna find out as soon as we start it up, but
Okay.
there should be screens on the outside so the birds can't come in.
Okay. I'll go check that
I don't
right
know
now.
if there is or not, but
Yeah, I'll go check right now.
on the exhaust anyway.
Okay.
Well, I'm gonna turn it on and check it again, see what happens with the things. All the fan seems to work okay. It's glowing. These wires seem loosey-goosey to me. She goes, we'll see if it stays on. It could be I'm not seeing it properly with the light, you know.
Yeah.
I can see it through my camera here. It's definitely running. We're gonna put some screens on the outside, at least the exhaust part. You know which one's the exhaust going out?
Yes.
I got little screens I could put on there to keep the birds out. Yeah, you know what it is with my light, I really can't see in there good. It is running.
Don't you think that it should be more visible? Isn't that what that window?
Well, once you shut the lights off over here and you can you see it in my camera there? I can see the blue.
I can feel it. I mean, it's definitely...
Well, these things, they don't give off a lot of heat. What happens is they... it's a double heat exchanger, so it pulls all the heat out of the air.
Okay.
And so you don't get a lot of heat up to the vents. Maybe like 110 coming through the vents, which is not hot.
Okay.
The older ones were like 130.
Yep.
Really hotter. But they're not as efficient, you know?
Okay, got it. That makes sense.
Been this connection on here, because I mean, I moved them around. There is a reset button on the bottom here. I did hit that, but that wasn't tripped. She's still running. All right, let's go outside and we'll. I think I got some stuff in here. I got some of those. There we go. Keep the birds out. That'll work. That's a nice one. That's 2-inch. Yeah, she's definitely running. It's not the biggest flame in the world, but it's heating up. Alright, clean flame sensor, reset vacuum switch connectors where they were loose, and then we added an exhaust screen outside. It's running. This is the exhaust. Here, you could feel it's warm. See it?
Oh yeah.
See, this is the exhaust. You could feel when it's running, it's getting warm. This is the intake coming in.
Now, would that be cold?
That'll be cold.
Okay.
That's bringing in outside air. This is blowing it out.
Okay.
Only when it's running. So you'll be able to tell. You change this filter?
So I think I've changed it.
Don't have to be, I mean, every 3-4 years, because that's a big unit.
Yeah, I think I changed this 6 months ago.
Yeah, you're fine. I mean, this is a big filter, though. You don't have to do it once a year. Every couple of 3 years.
Really?
Yeah, how many times are you changing them?
Twice a year. 6
No
months.
good. I mean, that's a big filter. That's a 5-inch. That's a 5-inch.
Yeah.
It's got all that extra stuff. You don't have to do them as much.
Okay.
Yeah, I mean, every other year, every 3rd year, pull it out and see if it's dirty. If it's not, don't change it. Yeah, it's clean. See it? You just changed it.
Yeah.
What I'm saying is you don't need to do them all the time.
Okay.
See,
well,
they're not cheap.
because these are expensive.
Yeah.
No kidding. So every year, every 2 years.
Well, they're saying every 6 months. That's for a 1-inch one. That one's 5 inches.